Okay then, hello everybody, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is, welcome back to Team Brawn Racing. So, last week we ended the video at Bedford. So we finished the dyno all day Sunday, 9 AM till gone 7 PM. We finished the dyno, the results were great. I was already out and about, it was already too late really to be worth going home. Car was on the trailer, so we dragged it straight across to Bedford where Javelin were running a track day. Hadn't booked a hotel, hadn't booked a place on the track day. It's Bedford though, it's stupid noise requirements. Someone always gets black flagged for noise. So, feeling hopeful, I drove over to Bedford, got there about 9:30 at night, met up with Nige and a couple of friends, and the next morning, we booked on. There's not tons of me chatting in this video, it's going to be quite a bit of track footage, which is what the channel's been missing over the last 4 or 5 months. First session, in the car, heading out to see how this gearbox feels and how the new engine, the new clutch, see how everything has come together.
Up or down, instantaneous. That is mind-blowing. Engine feels as amazing as you'd expect it to. An absolute top spec Badger 5 build. These brakes are going to take serious getting used to. And these tyres feel flat because they've been in a rack for 6 months. Feel good, it stops me, but wow, so much more pedal pressure than I'm used to. Oh my god, the gear change! Woohoo! That is the most exciting thing about all of this. By a mile. That gear change is mind-blowing. Not got loads of fuel in it. Head back over to the pits and put some fuel in it and do a bit of a longer run. Oh my god, the gearbox. That's mind-blowing. Never known anything like that.
Yeah, so just went out for, should we call it an installation lap, F1 styly? Just went out just to get a feel for it, see how it was. Kind of got out and realised, I haven't put any fuel in. And I might have got a little bit excited there. The gearbox is mind-blowing, the way it shifts. I'm going to do another video discussing all of the winter changes and what I think about them. But yeah, anyway, back to some more track footage.
Right, Bedford, it's actually lunchtime already. I've been so busy, haven't had a time to record anything. Got the car on stands, got the quiet exhaust on, tested it, only 87 decibels, super quiet. We went out on track, first time out, through the box, blown away, utterly mind blown. Nothing prepared me for quite how well that gearbox would shift. I was just wow, screaming in the car. Absolutely stunning. Engine, I'm only running it on gate pressure, 0.8 of a bar so far this morning. Still hitting 152 GPS down the back straight. The box is geared slightly shorter than I was expecting. I need to go back and look at the SQS calcs because I went through all the calcs. I decided on the final drive and it's not quite as tall as I expected. We're still doing past 150, it's plenty. Just makes the thing feel like even more of a weapon. Steering feels great, car suspension, everything feels spot on. Engine just sings a Badger 5 engine. Clutch, helix, twin plate, not grabby, not noisy, feels, for a shakedown, couldn't be happier. Even the brakes feel pretty good. But the only person getting a shout out for them is me. Anyway, lunchtime, I'm hungry. I think some cheesy chips are due. Let's do a few more this afternoon, maybe put some slicks on, see how it goes. Let's see how this goes. that was an extremely fun session with Nige, but I did what I do all the time. Followed him, didn't have much of a problem following him. Swap places, immediately missed a braking point. These brakes are going to take a little bit of getting used to, but the feel is good. Extremely happy with where we are on the brakes so far. You know what, YouTube, I'm a changed man. That's enough for me. I've tested the car is great. I want to get home, see my family. Thank you very much to the Pinders for encouraging me to come and helping out with parts and all that sort of stuff. I hope you guys will like this one. This is the little car that could. Once again, I'm so impressed. All the help from everyone we've had, all the winter upgrades, been ridiculous. Anyway, I'm gonna see you all soon. Have fun, take care, like, share, subscribe. See you next week.
Oh.